I said, Baba blow powder. Right?
If there's leakage, it's going to show you. Before it gets to it dangerous, it's going to show you on your dashboard.
All you do, get money. All you do now is just money now.
That is it. How many? The only difference is, for this one, you are not working with flat steel like those small beds. This one is made up of so many
Hello guys, this is Urbanized Media. You are welcome back. So this is still a video of a tour around Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company in Nnewi Anambra State by Nnewi Digital Community, the members of Nnewi Digital Community. So Nnewi Digital Community is having an event this week that is called Nnewi Digital Week, and the day one of the event is factory tour. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company is one of the companies that have been chosen to be toured around on this day. So stay back while I show you how our tour around Innoson Vehicles went. So at this point, the tour guide is giving us some instructions and brief history of Innoson Vehicles before officially going into the tour. That's what is being done here at this point.
So what we are going to do now is we're going to go inside, and I'll try and show you the different places where these vehicles are put together. And you can feel free to ask as many questions as you want. That's why. Is that clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Any question before we proceed inside?
No. Thank you.
I'm personally interested in this one. Designing of the vehicles is handled by the company offsite. Everything about here is that motorcycle we use it, but for small vehicles, what we use is this type. This is called a spot welding machine. On the body of the vehicle, there are over 1,000 spot welds. So if I don't show you, or if you not, you will not be able to know that this spot weld. That's because it's very clean, it's very efficient. In any type of application, anywhere you work, what is currently being used is spot welding. The only difference is some people are using fully automated systems controlled by machines, but for us we are still at the semi-automated stage, which means human beings will still need to operate this spot welding. That is very effective. What you join together cannot be separated. Some people will proceed. That's how they proceed to the next. Yeah. Something like this. Is that clear? The whole system. So it needs to be treated. What I mean by treated is anti-rust. There's something we call surface protection. It needs to be done on this body before you attempt to paint it. You cannot paint it like this. And the importance of that thing is so that this vehicle, you've seen vehicles that can last as much as 50, 60, 100 years. There will be rust on the body of the vehicle, but that will be like 10-20% of it. The remaining 80% of the body of the vehicle is still very much intact. It's because of that treatment. Now, if you look here, you see these spots. Can you see these spots all over this? Yes. Those are spot welds. You can see how very clean it is. Can you see how clean it is? These are spot welds. Unlike the other type of welding where if you weld it, it leaves a bulky residue that you now need to file out. This one is not like that. Once it attaches, you are good to go. No filing needs to be done on this. Exactly. Except of course in some few places like maybe the joint here. Or maybe yeah, exactly. Except in few places like that. But apart from that, spot welding is the only thing that is used there. So let's proceed. Is to join. These are two slides here. The only difference is for this one, you are not working with flat steel like those small belts. This one is made up of so many cut and join. So you are constructing the body. Exactly. So that type of welding is not suitable for this type of construction. That is why we use metal inert gas welding on this side. Which is similar to what you see on this side. So it's still the same process. 6 individual sides that we weld 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is for the big bed, for the city board. So it's going to take this front part of the bed and attach it here. So with the help of this sheet, they can know if their measurements are accurate or not. That is just the important thing.
From this time around.
Everything works stage by stage. Everything works stage by stage. This one, it proceeds like this. This one already has front part and the back part of it. And more constructions will keep on happening until the final skeleton comes out. That's why they are. Way down.
Like what material are they using?
I don't give an example. It's just plastic glasses and there's extra steel protection inside the vehicle. You get? I just give an example. But assuming, let us say that you use our steel now, then you get normal steel that you use for and everything, and then you use that one to this point. This is the same CD cooker. Yes. These are actually 2 separate beds. These are 2 separate beds. The one that they are working on. This is a pure CNG vehicle. I've been using both diesel and CNG. It's finally Adamawa State government does this vehicle. How long does it take to produce this? It depends on the manpower that you have. And you put 200 people here, the output is going to be different. So the factory has an quantity of that.
Oh my God! Wait,
How many kgs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many kgs is it?
Each of them said, do you know how much grams do you know how much that we filled this one?
It's not even about the money.
I remember to run some.
Yes. But I'm saying it's not as pleasant to come out.
No man like this, he pull up. I said, Baba blow powder.
If there's leakage, it's going to show you. Before it gets to dangerous, it's going to show you on your dashboard.
All you do, get money. All you do now is just money now.
That is it.
How many?
IBM
Let's not be like we do enter. Because we know when Nigerian government will do something that will surprise us. This is the card that they're supposed to be putting for 4 members to be entering and coming. They'll give you bicycle allowance for 3-5.
Bicycle.
Let's give bicycle allowance.
Right bicycle they call. Wow.
That's a politician's life.
Unfortunately, I cannot turn it on due to CNG now. We don't today.
Let me do something for you.
Jack on the
Collect change for me. Collect change for me there.
Drive and get that kind of information.
And start dipping them inside this tank. You see this white tank here? Yeah. There are about 12 or 13 different tanks. Each one contains a particular specific chemical. So it's going to be dipping inside the tanks one after the other until it has gone through the whole 12 or 13 tanks. And when it comes out, they'll push it inside the oven. That is when, after it's been in the oven for like 20-30 minutes, that's when it's now ready for painting. If you look up there, you will see some vehicles that are hanging up there. At night now, they will start doing the electrophoresis. It's only done at night. Electrophoresis treatment. It's only done. No, we don't do bikes. Bike is our keke is almost ready.
That is Congo.
Okay. Shadow.
So that means let's not put against right?
When we are done with here, I'll call them on phone to know if they're still there. If they're not there, we'll just head to Jolly. Calm down. That might be our best outing today.
Yes, don't you know how to treat them?
No, we're talking about TIC.
So there are two ways that there are two ways that we finish up in this finishing stage. For buses, you have to hang the buses on this frame. Is that clear? Yeah. You know where the engine of the bus is?
Under the seat.
Under the seat. You have to raise it up so that you can be able to attach all these things: the engine, the gearbox, the exhaust pipe, all those components. So for you to be able to do it efficiently, you have to hang them. But only the buses are hung on this thing. Are be hung. Only the buses are hung and be hanged on this thing. For other types of vehicles, for other type of vehicles, they actually done like this. You construct the chassis and the attach the tires, engines, everything that you put from under the buses. You do like this. Take empty before you attach the screws. Put it together. Yes, it's actually a much more.
This kind of stuff,
You guys send engines only to like battery engines. Sell them below. Okay, people that are using their vehicles.
Check for brake, check for speed, acceleration, check the lights, check brake, carry out the physical check with the thing. You go for your road test because you can. This is an ideal environment. And the driving a vehicle here is not changing. By the time you go out on the road, you start noticing sounds. So do a drive test. Shower test is just to check for the package inside the vehicle. You drive the vehicle inside and you turn it on. There's an intense. Let me just turn it on.
Make it just go away. Sit down here and you. Well, like, you got the work and yes,
When the vehicle is inside, checking for